We all face a problem while using Redshift Render Engine in Maya that whenever we get a model from an outside source or website, we have all the materials in Phong, especially FBX. And Phong is like a shiny material pane. It's hard to control, and even if one material is left, it'll shine. In order to convert it to Redshift Architectural Material, if I do it from here, it will simply lose all the texture link information, and I have to reattach textures one by one, as well as I have to go to every Phong material and change it to architectural one by one. The answer to this problem is IntoArch. You can get it from the description and link. Simply after getting it, open the folder and open the script. Select the script using Ctrl-A and copy the script by using Ctrl-C on keyboard. Go back to Maya Open Script Editor. Paste the script using Ctrl-V. Then select the pasted script using Ctrl-A. Press middle mouse button over the selected script, and while keeping it pressed, drag it to the shelf. You'll get an icon here. Right-click over that icon and then edit it. You can rename it here, and you can provide a nice icon here. Once it's all been done, now select one or all objects together. I'll leave beard and mustache because I will use Lambert here for transparency. I like it more. And simple click on the IntoArch on the shelf. Click Convert, and we are done. All materials converted to Redshift Architectural while maintaining the links to the texture. The reason why it's not showing the textures is that they are still linked to the drive of the person who made this character. You can edit the texture links manually, or you can use our texture relinker. Its link is also in the description, along with how to use it. If you have one, the simple select all objects and click on Texture Relinker. Provide the link where you have the textures folder in your drive, because once you import an FBX file, it will create a texture folder in your computer. Paste the texture link, and it will change the link of all the texture root folders of objects you selected, saving you from changing it one by one. For the beard, I'm using Pholam to convert Phong to Lambert. Link provided in description too. Have fun!